How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 screen not responding to touches. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then remove your screen protector. If you have updated any protector on your screen, then remove it and update a new one protector. After update a new one protector, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.